Alright, so I'm here. I'm on the mountains. I brought the cube. And, last year I actually tried this video before. I'm not sure if I saw the video save, but if I do, it'll come up right around here. And I had started snowboarding, and I was going to do the whole snowboarding while solving a cube one-handed. And then my phone crashed because it got wet, and that phone wasn't water resistant at all. And so it kind of broke for the rest of the day. But this phone is better somewhat, so we're gonna see what we can do here. I'm on a really, really long lift here, but we should be up there soon, so. Oh, my hands are cold. Yeah. Alright, so I'm not actually that great at snowboarding in any way, shape, or form. But we're gonna try it anyways, alright? We're gonna hope that I manage to do this without embarrassing myself by hilariously falling while solving this cube, alright? So, I don't have a timer with me for obvious reasons. So I think I'm probably just going to end up starting to solve this. And then I'll have some sort of timer here, on the screen. And then we'll see how it goes from there, yeah? Alright, I'm just gonna inspect it. I really hope I don't fall, because I don't have gloves on, and my hands are cold, man. Here we go, there's cross. I see my first F2L pair. Actually, keep going here. For a second, there's another F2L pair. Ah, dude, messed that up. Whoopsie. I think I put that in, right? I did. Wow. And another one in the back. And finally, F2L's done. Easy OLL. I messed it up still. That's fine. It's not like I wanted to do it right anyways. I usually do this one with table beast, but there's quite obviously no table here. Almost did fall down, but I'm fine. And POL, I do not know this one one-handed. I do know this one one-handed. Never mind, I can't do POL. Ah, what am I doing? It's because I'm trying to pay attention to, not falling on camera. And it's ending with me having some very, very terrible solving here. But I'm going to keep doing it anyways. Really? Did I really just fail that PLL again? The end is in sight here. It's all the way down there. I'm going to have to get through this. And I'm already going slowly so that I can try and finish this in time here. Let's see. Here we go. Complete with a fall. Man, I'm glad I wasn't using the GAN XS. That would have really sucked, man. After all, this is actually the same exact cube I brought with me last year trying to do this challenge. That's the one where my phone did end up dying. But thankfully, we were able to get this one done. Now my hand is absolutely terrifyingly frozen. And oh my gosh, it hurts with how cold it is. So I'm gonna get all the way down there. And I'm kind of just gonna vibe for the rest of this. So, you know, that's kind of like it for the cube solving part. You know, I just wanted to see if I could solve a cube going down the mountain, which apparently I can. So like, sub, and montage time? I don't know. Let's see.